But because I need to look fresh to death, you know, we're back on and popping, y'all. We are back on and popping. Guys, I almost forgot I got an Amazon package today, which I'm really excited about. And now I'm going to season them. So I'm going to do a little bit of coarse salt. Alright guys, so I finished. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 5. I can't believe it's already day 5. Whoa. Coming at you once again at the end of the day because once again, work was just freaking crazy, man. It was insane today. So I'm having a quick snack. These are rice cakes. Oh my god, you guys, these are so good. Freshly popped onion rice cakes from Stu Leonard. They're just so freaking bomb. And they're like really low calorie, I'm pretty sure. They're like 15 calories a rice cake or something ridiculous. So they're just such a good like snack and they're satisfying because they have a little saltiness. Anyway, I decided, I was talking to myself on my way home from the train, and I decided that I'm gonna skip my workout today for a valid reason. I need to get ready. Tomorrow is Raul's company holiday party, and this is the first year that I'm invited, which is really exciting, and it's my first holiday party of the season. And so I need to wash my hair. I know I just washed it on Sunday, and I typically wouldn't, but because I need to look fresh to death, you know? Oh, the theme of the party is the 1920s, so I'm going like all Gatsby vibes, and I need to do my hair in like some glam waves. So I'm gonna take you guys through the process of getting ready. And first up tonight, I need to fix my nails. You know, I've been walking around like this all week. Finally fix the situation and do my at-home gel manicures that I do. I've been posting a lot about it on Instagram and a lot of you are like, oh my god, tell me how that goes. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I got all of the tools that you need to do it at home, and I've been saving so much money monthly because I was getting like $50 gel manicures, which is just ridiculous. So I'm gonna walk you guys through that, and then I'm not gonna do my hair tonight because I want it to air dry since I'm gonna put heat on it, but I'll show you guys my manicure tonight, and then I'm gonna make some dinner first of all, take a shower, let my hair air dry, and then I'm gonna do my nails, and I have to edit Vlogmas that goes up tomorrow. So all of that to say is I'm skipping my workout today, but Thursday we're back on and popping, y'all. We are back on and popping, okay? So let me just like take a 5-minute breather, and I'm gonna get back on here and do my nails with y'all. I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, I almost forgot I got an Amazon package today, which I'm really excited about. I already opened it. That's how excited I am. So this is one of the things that I got for Black Friday, and it is a Gorilla Pod. I am so thrilled about this. It's a Joby Gorilla Pod. I had like a janky Joby stick that's over there. I'm not even gonna bother getting it. And it just like doesn't really function. I think my camera might be too heavy for it. So I'm really excited about this. I think I got it like 50% off or 40% off. Either way, it was a really good deal. So I'm gonna start using it like right now. So excited. Oh my god, this is so much better, you guys. I am obsessed. Why didn't I do this sooner? By the way, I feel like this is always peeking in the background when I'm editing. I never notice it while I'm shooting, but that is a dog camera. We have several around the apartment, and that's just so that we can stalk Parker when we're not home, in case you guys are wondering. So I'm about to make dinner, and remember I roasted all those sweet potatoes on Sunday night? I had this like genius moment while I was walking home. I have a lot of thoughts when I'm walking home of how I could, you know, use these because like they can get kind of boring just eating potatoes. I'm gonna make some sweet potato tostones, and if you guys don't know what that is, Google it. Basically, I'm going to smash them and just throw them in the air fryer. Maybe put a little bit of garlic powder, some coarse salt on there, and make some sweet potato tostones. Super easy. Let's see if this works out. All right, so I have my roasted sweet potatoes. I'm gonna take one and just slice it into thick slices. Now, I'm gonna take this glass, clean glass, and I'm just gonna smash them. All right guys, so I smashed them all with the bottom of a clean glass, and now I'm going to season them. So I'm gonna do a little bit of coarse salt. You guys, I'm totally making this up as I go. So I'm gonna do some black pepper, garlic powder, and I'm gonna do a sprinkling of Parmesan cheese on all of them. I'm gonna sprinkle my air fryer with some Pam, and we're gonna see how this turns out. If it turns out good, I'll show you guys. If not, you'll never see this footage. So stay tuned to see. In the air fryer. Yeah, So this is the result of the sweet potato tostones. They're not quite crispy though. All right guys, so the verdict is the tostones were all right. They weren't great. I wish they were a little bit crispier. We're gonna figure that out for next time because I was just a little bit too hangry, but they had good flavor. I just need to figure out how to get them a little bit like harder, not thicker, a little bit like crispier and less moisture. We're gonna figure that out for next time, but there's definitely potential there to make them in the air fryer and not deep fried. And now I'm just trying to fight the urge to lay on the couch and watch TV. I need to shower and I need to do my nails and I need to prep my outfit for tomorrow and I need to edit tomorrow's Vlogmas. So this should be all right. So this is my little nail bin of all the things that I use to do my nails. So I'm gonna use my light. I got this on Amazon, I'll link it below. These little things are to take off your nail polish. So I'm gonna use, this one's already open. This is acetone. What else do I need? This is like all of my little tools in here. And today I'm gonna do, can't decide which color I'm gonna do, my top coat and my base coat. All right guys, so freshly out of the shower and I'm ready to paint my nails. I also forgot to mention that at the end, you're gonna need some rubbing alcohol to clean off the residue from your nails. I'm gonna start by removing this polish. And I put this magazine down just so that I can on my dining table. I'm gonna tilt the camera down so that you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, so I'm gonna start with these guys. And I also got these little contraptions instead of using foil to put over the acetone covered cotton. So I finished. I did 2 coats of the red and I dried 60 seconds for each coat. And then I did, before that I did the base coat, obviously 60-second dry. And then the top coat was 90 seconds that I did. And now I'm gonna go in with the rubbing alcohol on a little cotton pad. If you guys don't have these, they sell them on Amazon super cheap, but you can just use regular cotton too. Cotton pad, rubbing alcohol. And it feels weird because the nails feel like they're still weird, like wet and tacky, but you just go right on it and clean it off. And then it's done. And this cures it. I feel like if you don't do this step, then your nails will just stay like wet and tacky and you feel like you can't do anything. That's it. All done. Shiny. Done. I can go do stuff now. It's great. I think that took me all of like 30 minutes, and I also stopped to help Raul figure out how to tie a bow tie in between. So maybe it took me a little bit longer than I wanted, but I'm done. Now I'm gonna go edit a video and prep my outfit for tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys how I get ready from day to night at work for a fancy holiday party. So I will check back with you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.